think that once you actually have your baby, you might be able to tell which bottle works best for them. So my suggestion would be put multiple different types of bottles and nipples on your registry and then see what works for your baby. That's what I did, and I think these are pretty popular, but the Dr. Brown's anti-colic bottles are the ones that we went with for him, for Ryan. So you'll see it has a little straw in here, and then it also has this little piece to the straw up here. One thing that I want to mention is that this comes apart. So when they're delivered to you, they will be all in one piece like this. But just make sure when you're washing these that you're taking it apart and using your little pipe cleaner to clean all the little holes, because milk gets stuck in there, it gets stinky. And then same with the straw, just use your pipe cleaner to get down inside of there. So these work very well for Ryan. He wasn't a colicky baby, but he definitely, one thing that he did to my nipple and does to the bottle nipples is he clamps down a lot because he was taken out 3 weeks early. I don't think developed the sucking mechanism as well inside of me. And he has a small mouth in my opinion. So anyway, these work very well for him. The straw helps a lot. Regular bottles seem to make him burp a lot more, and he closes it off really well. So anyway, for whatever reason, these are what worked best for him. Dr. Brown also makes another bottle that's a wide neck that I have a link below for also. And so the wide neck ones and the like wide mouth nipple is better if you are using bottles just in the meantime, or if you're not home, or if your husband is taking a turn, or family, or whatever. But the wide neck ones are better for if your baby normally goes to the breast, because it looks a lot more like a nipple and a boob versus this one. So if you wanted to add those to your registry, or just try those ones out, and these in addition, then that works too. And the last thing that I want to talk about today is the Boppy pillow. These are very, very popular. I'm sure you've seen them, heard of them. These are by far the best pillows that, in my opinion, that were created for a baby. They're great because you can use them while they're very, very small newborns. You can use them for a breastfeeding pillow. So you put it around you kind of like this, and then the baby can lie just around you comfortably here, and then go to your breast. So, and then you can move it to the other side if that works better. So this pillow is great for every stage. On the tag here it says 0 to 9 months basically. It can be used for different purposes. For Ryan, I'm now using, he's 7 months old and sitting up on his own, but I use it when I'm not right next to him. I use it to just support behind him because he doesn't really understand yet that he has to catch himself if he's falling backwards. So I just place him like his butt right here, and then this is on his back, so that if he were to fall backwards, that he's not bouncing his head off the floor. But it's a great pillow. Even like my husband uses it when he wants to take a nap on the couch. It's very versatile, and just there's so many different ways you can use it. You can also use it for tummy time, so they can put their chest right here, and their head kind of, they have to support their own head basically, but it helps them just kind of build that neck strength. So it's just been the best thing. I would buy one over and over and over again. The one thing that I will say is that I bought another cover for it. It comes with just one cover, but if they throw up on it, or like our dog likes to lay on it a lot, it just gets very dirty very fast. Not visibly, but just in my opinion, like, ew. So I like to have like this cover and then the other one that comes with the cover on it, because I just take this one off and wash it, and then there's still a cover underneath this one that he can still use the pillow even when the other one's being washed. So That is also going to be linked below for this video. And I'm going to do more videos on just different things that I think were really helpful during the first few months of life, and then also just throughout different months and like milestones and things that change, you know, different like products that have been really helpful, because not every product works well for every baby or every mom or a parent. And I just think that it's really helpful to know what works for certain people, and you can do your own experiment and just kind of see what works best for you. So if you want to, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, and please leave any comments below if you have any questions, or if you want me to do any other videos about the first like month or two of life, or anything that worked best for exclusively pumping. I am happy to answer. Thank you.